guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing our Boxycharm for the month of March, and I have my special guest here.
Hello.
Chris. So he is back to try and get some prices on some of the makeup items in here.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
I'm excited.
You didn't look?
No.
Okay.
I have no idea what's in there.
So, as I've said in previous videos, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box. It is $21 a month, $22 because I pay taxes on my box. So, this month I did not get the Boxy Luxe box. I thought about it, but I already have some of the items that are in there, so I just didn't do it. So I did just get the regular Boxycharm box this month. Okay, budget. Alright. So, this month's box, or the theme for this month's box is, can you read that?
La Vic and Rose.
I think B.
La Vie and Rose. La Vie and Rose. I don't think it's Spanish.
What do you think it is?
French.
Well, it does have macarons on the picture. So, it probably is French.
Boom. Context clues.
Alright, so let's see. The first thing that we have in this box are this pair of Moda brushes. You've got a powder brush and a highlighting brush. So this is the box. I'll let you see the box and we'll take the...
Okay.
You don't want to hold the box?
No,
Okay.
I don't.
It didn't do anything for you?
No.
Alright. So I'm going to take both brushes out. So these are what they look like, which are really cute with the rosy kind of handles, and they come straight down to a point. So there you go, my friend. Check them out. Touch them, feel them, use them on your face. I don't know.
This one looks slightly inappropriate.
Why?
You know why. I don't know. There's a crown on there, which
Yeah.
signifies royalty.
Uh-huh.
So if these were meant for kings and queens,
Got two brushes.
I don't know. $26.
For the two of them.
Yeah.
Okay.
For the box of brushes.
For the box of brushes, they are $29.99.
I'll take that.
So not too bad.
Not too bad.
And they're not. I mean, they're pretty good weight. They're not very.
Yeah, you don't want a heavy
Heavy.
brush.
No, but they're extremely soft. So this is
You get
perfect
tired,
for putting your powder on. That's exactly what I do.
Right, but if it's too heavy, you get tired.
Yeah.
You don't want to get tired putting your makeup on. Your
No.
day's ruined.
Exactly, because you're just starting out your day. And this one is, the brush on it is rather long, but I think overall it'd be really good for your highlight.
Alright.
Alright, the next thing we have is the Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. So this is the packaging right here. I'll let you hold it.
Okay.
Let's see. So I will say it has a blend of skin-loving acai, goji berry, blueberry, lychee, mangosteen, and green leaf tea extracts. Green tea leaf extracts. And it's a peel-off mask.
$18.
$18.
Yes.
That peel-off mask is $34.
Ugh. Okay. For like a one-time thing, how many times do you use it?
A lot.
It's a lot. That's a relative term.
Well, I guess it would depend on how much you're slathering on your face.
Slathering. Technical terms. Here you go.
I mean, it's a whole tube.
Yeah, but it's a small tube. $30-something?
I'd probably get like 20 uses out of this.
No way you get 20 uses out
Yeah.
of
Well,
this.
you don't want it to be too
Give me this.
thick.
There's no way. You get 10 uses max. So
10 uses?
I mean, that's not bad. $3.20 per mask. You gotta figure you're paying more than that. Individual masks.
Well, just so you know,
20 uses.
this It's supposed to, let's see, excess oil and impurities are drawn out and absorbed by kaolin,
Kaolin clay.
minimizing the appearance of enlarged pores, which is good because my pores have really been, I feel like lately.
I've been meaning to say something.
Have you? You can see them? I've been seeing them. So they're going to minimize the appearance of your pores, and it dries quickly and peels off effortlessly. So you're supposed to reveal a smoother, clearer, and brighter complexion.
It's important.
So if you guys are interested in this, I will be demoing this. Not in this video, but I'm going to do a whole video dedicated to this. So keep that in mind for future references.
I look forward to watching that. As you should.
The next one here is by Appeal, and it is a liquid eyeshadow in the shade, what shade is this? Rose Gold. So this is it right here. And once he takes a look at it, I will swatch it for you guys so you can see.
Let's see how pigmented it is.
Oh, nice word there.
It's super pigmented. I can already tell. Appeal liquid eyeshadow. Appeal is the brand name?
Yeah, Appeal is the brand name. It's a liquid eyeshadow, and it is in the shade Rose Gold. Although I feel like that's more bronzy gold. But who knows, it could be different once we swatch it.
$22.
Oh, it does say it's highly pigmented in here.
I know it.
It is $21.
I
Look
pay
at
more
you.
Appeal.
What?
You can up it $1. I would pay more.
So, oh, it has a brush wand instead of the doe foot applicator that normally comes within these shadows. With these shadows. So this is it right here. That does look a little bit more bronzy than I think Rose Gold.
Drop the ball on the color in there, Appeal.
But it is very pigmented, and I think it'll look gorgeous in the eyes. Or on the eyes. Not
I'll
in
put
them.
it in you.
Yeah. Don't do that.
No bueno. Which is Spanish.
Oh, look. We're doing French and Spanish.
Sweet. We'll get some swearing in here soon.
What? No, don't do that. So, the next one is an Ofra liquid lipstick.
Come here. Come here.
And it is in the shade Monaco.
Come get in this video.
As you guys know, Dixie, the star of the show, is back in the videos. She always comes when I am recording and slays back there. She likes to be on camera.
You're famous.
I feel like you look really uncomfortable right now, Dixie.
You're famous. You're famous. Say hello. Say
Kiss
hello.
him, kiss him, kiss him, kiss
Say
him.
hello. Say hello.
You ain't gonna say anything? You're a sweet girl. So now they're wrestling, I guess. I don't know. No, she's back. Or he's back.
All right.
So this is Ofra liquid lipstick in the shade Monaco.
What is Monaco? Is that like a city? I feel like it's a city.
I think so it is. I think so it is. I
I
believe it is. So,
really
it's
like this color.
a long-lasting liquid lipstick. Let's see. Shouldn't feather. Its vibrant color will give you a vivacious new look. Creamy, soft in texture, moisturizing. You don't even need to use lip liner is what it says.
$27. Final answer.
It is $20.
Oh, see, I like that better than the Peel.
The Peel eyeshadow.
Mm-hmm. Just like the color better.
It is a nice color. Well, that goes on the eyes, and this would go on your lips.
Well, regardless, the color looks better.
But I'm going to swatch it for you guys. So this is it. I'm like getting it all over. It's a terrible swatch, but it is a gorgeous color. So this is it right here.
Yeah. It looks the same as it does in the bottle.
Okay, this is our last item. And this is a Cover FX Perfector Face Palette. And I got it in the light to medium. So it does have the mirror, and then these are all the shades right here. You've got 2 highlighters, a contour, a blush, a brightening powder, and a finishing powder.
Okay.
And then it is Cover FX. So you've got 6 powders, supposed to be travel-friendly palette. Supposed to be able to blend seamlessly and have a flawless application. Do your whole face. Get it done. 1 palette.
I dig it. I like it. I like the colors. I like the mobility of it. It's important. $35. Why you make a face? There's not a good guess. It's a bad guess.
$45.
That's not bad. $35. Well, you made a face like I was way off. Like that was $12 in your hand.
No. We got a lot of really good brands. Cover FX, Ofra, Wander. All of these are really high-end brands.
Sure.
So.
The only one I've heard of is the one you have in your hand.
Cover FX.
Cover FX.
Well, I've got a couple Ofra things too. And
Out
I
of the
have
hundreds of things you have, I'm supposed to remember that you have an Ofra thing.
And I have some Wander Beauty too.
Sure.
And I have Moto brushes. The only thing I don't have in here that I haven't had before, well, I haven't had any of these items before. I've had the brands. Is the Appeal, which I'm really intrigued by because that shadow is absolutely gorgeous.
It's a great color.
So
It's not named correctly, but it's a good color. And it is in second place between the 2 colors. So
that we have here.
it's not a good place to be when there's only 2.
Yeah, that's like the loser spot.
It's definitely what it is.
Okay.
But you know what they say?
What do they say?
If you ain't first, you're last. You've heard them say that, right?
Yeah, I've heard
I think that was in
by the
JFK's
famous.
inaugural address.
No, that was the famous Ricky Bobby.
That was actually his dad said it. Ricky Bobby repeated it. And then towards the end of the film, you see where he was high when he said that. You don't remember that?
No, I don't.
God.
Oh, his dad. Yeah,
Yeah.
Ricky Bobby. I thought you meant JFK's dad.
And then he explains that there's several other spaces that you could be in, not just first or second or last.
I meant
There's third and fourth. You don't remember this whole thing?
I do remember that. I thought
She
you were
doesn't
talking.
remember.
I do remember that. I
She doesn't
thought he
remember.
was
She doesn't like
talking
movies.
about
She hates movies.
JFK's
She hates
dad.
fun. It's ridiculous. I don't know.
So I have my box variation for this month is 1 because I have the little one with the heart on the end of the card.
What does that mean?
It's the variation they got. So if I got a different box, I would have some of the same items, but these 2 would be different.
Oh, I'm glad you got those 2.
The Cover FX, the Moda, and the Wander Beauty were all the big staple items in this month's box. Everybody was getting them. But the Appeal and the Ofra were variations that you could have gotten. So those are the variations that I got. So if you received this month's box with a 1 and your little heart down here, this is the box that you got.
That's very cool. I wish you could have got some like blemish stuff, some anti-breakout stuff. I could definitely use that right now. It's I'm glad it
Tragic right now?
Well, it chose a really inconspicuous spot, you know. Bridge of my nose, directly where someone looks at me when they talk to me. No big deal. No big deal.
Well, this is perfect because we can do an update. If you watched my first ever video that I did, we did a Target haul. It was a clearance haul. And I got a light pen. You're supposed to be able to use it like every so often to help with your acne. He used that today. I've used it before on me and it worked. So we'll have to see if it works. We'll give you an update.
I don't know if this is
I'll
acne.
post an update on my Instagram.
I don't think this is acne. Okay, I think it's just a slight breakout. Some
That's
zits.
acne.
I don't know. Acne to me is like the what's the commercials? With they had the vending machines in the malls.
Proactive?
Yeah.
That's all the same thing. A blemish is acne.
I don't know.
It is. I'll post an update on my Instagram. Come follow me. It'll be linked down below. So
Why don't y'all
we'll have a
comment
good
below whether or not you think blemishes is the same as acne?
It
'Cause
is.
I think acne is like the bad, like the bumps on the face that you get in like high school and stuff. That's what I think of when I
I
think
think
of acne.
acne is like the
Not like a 30-year-old
like
gets a
medical
zit.
term.
I don't know about that. I think you're just talking straight out of your
Well, then
poop
what
right
would be
now.
the medical term?
For acne?
Yeah.
I don't know. My degree is in nothing science or doctorate level education.
I'm a Google doctor.
She is a Google doctor.
If you need help, comment down below.
Yeah. If you need help Googling.
I will Google for you.
Or navigating WebMD.
I'm your man. I'm not your man. I'm your girl. Yeah. Yeah. So.
Girl.
This month's box was $21.
You keep blocking me. They can't see me.
I'm sorry.
No,
But
you're not sorry.
the value of the box with everything we got was $149.99. So.
And how much did you spend?
$22 because of taxes. So.
That's a steal.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
So I think actually March's box is actually sold out because of that crazy video. I don't know if you guys watched it. Boxycharm shared it. It was a guy going through his wife's Boxy Lux box. It was hilarious. If not, you should go to their Instagram and watch it. Go to Facebook. It's all over the place. Chris watched it.
Yeah, it was fun.
He enjoyed it.
I smiled more than I normally do.
But that is it for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you enjoy seeing Dixie or Chris on the videos, give it a thumbs up.
Mm-hmm.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye, y'all.